Hello and welcome back to EngVibes. In today's video, we will be having a vocabulary quiz. We will be seeing different words with their definitions or their synonyms and antonyms. So all what we need to do is pick the right option. We have 4 options and we need to pick the right one. You will have some time to think for the right option. Alright? So, are you guys ready? Let's go. We start from 10. Number 10. His explanation was so concise. What does concise mean? Is it A, long and boring, B, full of errors, C, short and clear, or D, unrelated? Take some time. The word we are looking for is concise. We're looking for the explanation, the definition of the word concise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The right option is C. Concise means short and clear. So, guys, always try to be concise, okay? Be short and clear. Number 9. So, what does the word ambiguous mean? Is it confusing or unclear? Or B, easy to understand? Let's highlight it. Or C, angry? Or D, accurate? Take your time. Ambiguous means confusing or unclear. So try to avoid being ambiguous, okay? Number 8. The speaker was praised for her articulate delivery. So what does articulate mean in this sentence? A, fast and casual, B, loud and aggressive, C, clear and well-spoken, or D, short and boring? Take your time. And the right option is C, clear and well-spoken. Articulate means clear and well-spoken. Number 7. Number 7 says, what is the antonym of scarce? It means the opposite. Limited, plentiful, precious, or exact. And the right answer is plentiful. Plentiful is the opposite of scarce. And number 6. What does feasible mean? Is it A, strange, B, doubtful, C, practical, or D, magical? Here is the word. And the right option is, have you guessed it? Yes, it's C, practical. Feasible means practical. Well done. Number 5. Despite the criticism, she remained A, indifferent, B, insane, C, insecure, or D, impulsive. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the right option is, I don't know if you guess it right, but it's A, indifferent. She remained still, holding to her words. Number 4. Which word is closest in meaning to superficial? Is it A, deep, B, shallow, C, strong, or D, neutral? Closest in meaning, it means the synonym. Alright? The synonym. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Superficial means shallow. The right option is B. Good job. And now we move to number 3. What does the word inevitable mean? Is it A, avoidable, B, certain to happen, C, optional, or D, rare. Let's highlight it. Inevitable. It means B, very good, certain to happen. If this is your first time to watch us, kindly hit that subscribe button and welcome to the family. Number 2, I already highlighted the right answer because it's maybe a new word for many of you, which is the best synonym. Synonym means the same meaning. To scrutinize, it's C, examine. The other options were A, ignore, B, glance, D, doubt. And number 1, what does the word reluctant mean? Reluctant. So someone who is reluctant means he is unwilling to do something. Alright? Hopefully you learned some new words with their definitions, their synonyms, and their antonyms or their opposites. And here we come to the end of today's video. If you liked it, kindly share it with your friends, comment and subscribe if you are new to our channel. If you have any remarks, any new additional information, kindly leave them in the comment box and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So, till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes. Take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.